Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove from continue watching in your HBO Max. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So simply open your HBO Max in any web browser you want and get signed in into your account. So once you have typed in your email and your password, you will be able to get signed in. So once you're into your account, simply tap on the profile on the top right hand side of the corner, and once you do this, you need to now tap on My Stuffs. So after tapping on My Stuffs as well, you will now be redirected to a different profile. Here, all you can do is see an option called continue watching. So simply tap on it, and once you do this, you will be redirected to this interface. So here are everything that you are currently watching. So simply tap on the edit option. So once you tap on edit, you can find options to remove them individually. However, if you want to remove everything from your continue watching list, you need to now tap on the clear all option. So once you tap on clear all, everything that you are currently watching will be removed from your watching list. So once you're done, you need to hit the done button and you are all set with nothing or something deleted from your continue watching in HBO Max. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.